What is SEO? Learn digital marketing with Digital Pawan. Welcome to our video on search engine optimization, or SEO, one of the most important aspects of digital marketing. In this video, we will take you through the basics of SEO, tell you how it works, and why you need it. SEO ensures that your website gets more visitors from search engine results pages or SERPs. This is achieved by acquiring a higher rank on search engines for relevant search queries. So, if you're running a website, SEO is critical for attracting more traffic and increasing your reach. Having said that, SEO isn't just about bringing more visitors to your site. It's also about improving the quality of these visitors and their interaction with your website. SEO helps in reducing the bounce rate of your website and increases the average time spent by visitors on your website. The goal is to get visitors to stay on your website for longer and interact with your content by clicking on links, filling out forms, or making a purchase. Google tracks visitors' behavior on your site and uses that to determine if your website is relevant and valuable. This helps your website move up the ranks on search engines. The process of SEO begins with research. You need to know which keywords to target for your website. You need to identify the words and phrases that people use when searching for products and services similar to yours. This research helps you choose the right keywords to target for your website. You can also use tools like Google's Keyword Planner to identify relevant keywords and see the search volume numbers. Once you identify the keywords, you need to optimize your website by using them in your meta tags, headers, and content. It's important to use the keywords naturally and not stuff them into your content, as it can negatively impact your SEO. Another critical aspect of SEO is link building. When other websites link back to yours, it's viewed as a vote of confidence by Google. The more backlinks you have from other reputable websites, the higher your website is likely to rank. In today's age, mobile responsiveness is crucial for SEO. With more than 60% of internet usage happening on mobile devices, Google prioritizes websites that provide a mobile-friendly experience. User experience is also an important factor in SEO. Your website should be easy to navigate, load quickly, and offer a seamless experience to visitors. Google rewards websites that offer a great user experience. Finally, analytics are essential for tracking your website's performance. You need to measure your website's traffic, bounce rate, conversion rate, and other relevant metrics to make informed decisions about your SEO strategy. That's all for now. We hope this video has given you a good understanding of SEO and its importance in digital marketing. Make sure to implement best practices, and you'll be well on your way to ranking higher on search engines. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.